The word covered can sound like the end of an insurance calculation, but it is often only the first gate. A claim can concern a covered event while the final payment still depends on a deductible, a sharing percentage, limits, exclusions, and the policy's exact definitions. Those pieces answer different questions, so combining them into one vague promise hides the arithmetic. Imagine Leila studying a fictional home insurance classroom example after a small pipe leak damages one wall. A repair invoice shows AED 2000. The example assumes the event passes the policy's covered event gate. The entire AED 2000 is an eligible repair amount, a fixed AED 400 deductible applies, and the remaining eligible amount is split 80% to the insurer and 20% to the policyholder. These invented terms describe only this lesson. The first visual is the repair invoice itself. It names fictional water damage, shows AED 2000 as the covered repair amount, and establishes AED 2000 as the starting claim figure. That starting number is not yet the insurer payment. It is simply the eligible amount entering the arithmetic after the example's coverage assumption has been established. Coverage comes before subtraction. The claim moves through a gate labeled covered event and emerges as an eligible AED 2000 amount. If the event or cost did not meet the fictional policy definition, the later deductible and percentage calculation would not describe the result. This is why a coverage decision and a payment calculation should not be treated as the same step. Next comes the deductible. In this illustration, AED 400 is the part applied first to the covered claim. Subtract AED 400 from AED 2000, leaving AED 1600. The deductible is not 20% of this repair invoice, it is a fixed amount stated by the fictional terms. The order matters because the later 80-20 split uses AED 1600, not the original AED 2000. A segmented bar makes the changing base visible. One section represents the AED 400 deductible, while the longer section represents the AED 1600 remaining after the deductible. Together they reconcile to the AED 2000 covered repair. The bar does not say who receives cash, it only separates the first policyholder amount from the base that moves to the sharing step. Now apply the stated percentages to AED 1600. 80% of AED 1600 is AED 1280, which is the insurer payment in this fictional example. 20% of AED 1600 is AED 320, which is the policyholder's additional share after the deductible. The two percentage branches add back to AED 1600, so the split remains internally consistent. The policyholder total is therefore not just the AED 400 deductible. Add the AED 400 deductible and the AED 320 sharing amount to get AED 720. The insurer contributes AED 1280. AED 720 plus AED 1280 equals the original AED 2000 covered repair, completing the reconciliation without inventing any missing money. This example also separates a premium from a deductible. A premium is the cost connected with keeping the policy in force under its terms. A deductible is part of a covered claim assigned to the policyholder before or alongside other sharing rules. Paying a premium does not make the deductible disappear, and paying a deductible is not the same transaction as paying the premium. The percentage language needs equal care. Some policies may use different sharing structures, limits, networks, categories, waiting periods, or exclusions. This lesson uses an 80-20 split only because the numbers make the changing base easy to see. It does not claim that every policy has that percentage or that every covered loss follows this exact sequence. For fields keep the reading disciplined, whether the event is covered, which deductible applies, what sharing percentage follows, and whether limits or exclusions change the eligible amount. In the fictional example, all four are specified before the arithmetic begins. In a real document, definitions and conditions can be more detailed than a summary label. The most common arithmetic error here is applying 80% to AED 2000 and then subtracting AED 400 afterward. That route would produce a different result because it uses the wrong percentage base. The illustrated terms say the deductible reduces the eligible amount first, so the percentage applies to AED 1600. Sequence is part of the meaning, not decorative formatting. A second error is calling AED 1280 the amount of the claim. The covered repair is AED 2000, the amount after the deductible is AED 1600, the insurer payment is AED 1280, and the policyholder total is AED 720. Each label belongs to a different stage. Clear labels prevent one accurate number from being mistaken for another. The plain takeaway is that covered does not automatically mean paid in full. In this fictional lesson, coverage admits AED 2000 into the calculation, a AED 400 deductible leaves AED 1600, the 80-20 split creates AED 1280 and AED 320, and the policyholder's two parts total AED 720. This video is educational only, not financial advice. It does not interpret any real policy or recommend insurance coverage.